I feel like this whole video is just me rambling about a whole lot of nothing, but a whole lot of something at the same time. It's still a whole lot of something, you know? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today is kind of gonna be like a chit chat slash like life update type of video, I guess. I've been slacking on my channel so very much. It is not good at all. But yeah, so if you guys are curious to what I have to say in the rest of this video when it comes to my life update, channel wise, what I've been up to, all that fun stuff, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And yeah, let's get started before this intro takes forever and a day and it's already on a minute. So let's start. So hello guys, how are you guys doing today? You guys doing good? That is good, because I'm doing fantastic, even though it's like 10 o'clock at night and I don't know why I always wait until this late to film, but it's cool. But basically I just wanted to jump on here and kind of just talk to you guys about just a bunch of just random stuff, like what's been going on with me, all that fun stuff, what, you know, why the heck I haven't been the most consistent whatsoever. And to be honest, I just feel like a part of it's pure laziness, and then another part of it is like me feeling like I just don't have enough time. Like honestly, it's crazy to me because my channel is about to be a year old. I believe it's August 17th, so less than a month from now my channel is gonna be a year old. And to me it's just insane, because it's like, oh, like in my mind when I first started my channel, oh, in a year I want to have at least 1,000 subscribers, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to have this set up, this set up, this set up. And it's just like, dang, like for me to be almost at a year and for me to have a little under 200, it's just like, dang, like I have been slacking. And granted, like I'm not mad at anybody, I'm just mad at myself, because it's like I could have did a lot more work and did a lot more effort into my channel. Because I look, I believe in prayer, but at the end of the day, you can't sit up here. That's like me saying, oh God, let me get an A on this science test, and then you don't study. Like God's just not gonna just give you an A. Like you gotta put some type of work into it and then let God do the rest. And basically I wasn't doing my part. I pray every day, Lord, let my YouTube channel be successful, let me be able to make a career out of this, that, and the third. I do not see myself working a regular 9-to-5 job the rest of my life. That's just how I am. At my current job, I'm told multiple times that I quote unquote talk too much, and I'm just like, you know what, yeah, I do talk too much. And so as you guys can see, I am currently well, you maybe be able to tell, maybe not, but I'm wearing passion twists. It kind of looks like Senegalese twists, but they're passion twists. And I'm so proud of myself, because I actually did this by myself because I needed to save some money, because my girl Imani, she did my box braids, but your girl don't got an extra $100 to be pumping out every single time I need my hair done. So that's why I decided to DIY it, and I feel like it turned out really good. I was gonna do a video of me doing passion twists, but look, see what happened was, it took me like a good like hour or so and me wasting a pack of hair for me to actually get it the right way I wanted it. And even then it's still not 100%, but I knew that I really needed this hair to be done, so I just roll with the punches. Like honestly, I feel like this hairstyle is maybe gonna last me another 2 weeks, and I've only been wearing this hair like this, I would say, for like a week and a half. Maybe a little bit longer than that, I could be wrong, but it's not super tight like I wanted it to be at the root, and I feel like it's starting to frizz up already. I'm sorry, look, hold on, let me show y'all the hair. 1 second.
A few moments later.
Now I apologize in advance if this comes off as being a little bit harsh, but a lot of you guys that are subscribed to me know that I do not sugarcoat nothing, especially when it comes to hair. This hair from Freetress right here, I'm pretty sure y'all have seen, every single time you look up a how-to passion twist video, I'm pretty sure somebody's using this hair. And because of the fact that every single how-to passion twist video I've seen this hair, I went out and bought this hair. Now granted, the hair does what it's supposed to do, kind of. There's a fly in my room, but anyways, yes, this hair, you know, the passion twists are supposed to look like this for the most part, so it did its part with that. But y'all, this hair sucks. I'm sorry to say it, but it does. Like it tangles in like 2.5 seconds, and on top of that, it gets frizzy in 2.5 seconds, and that's why I feel like my hair looks older than it actually is. Now granted, you can't really tell on camera, thank God, but look. How much did I pay a pack for this? I think it was like $5.99 or $6.99, and I got it off of Sam's Beauty. This hair is so hard and annoying to work with, but honestly, I can't think of another alternative to really use when it comes to doing passion twists, because you're supposed to use crochet type hair that has this curl pattern so the twists can look the way they look. But look, it was a struggle working with this hair, I will definitely say that. Oh, and another thing that I started doing, I actually started doing my own nails. Like, y'all, like, I'm so proud of myself. I mean, granted, they're not perfect, but they look pretty darn good. And mind you, this is the second set that I did on myself. The nails, oh, I didn't even post that one no makeup look. I never even posted it. I posted it on Instagram, but I never posted it on YouTube, so never mind. I was about to say the last set I had in my last video, I did that, but no, I had on white nails. But yeah, so anyways, I learned how to do my own nails. Now I'll definitely plan on doing a story time about like my nail salon horror stories, just because it was just a bunch of BS that built up to me finally being like, you know what, forget it, I'ma just stretch my pockets a little bit. Let me just put some stuff on my credit card so I can be able to do my own nails and be satisfied with them. And even if God forbid they turn out a hot mess like they somewhat did with this set, because I'm planning on taking these off in a couple days, but at least I did it. Like, I didn't pay nobody to do my nails, I did it myself. You know, I did it myself, Miss Independent, okay? So I learned how to do my own nails, and I got like, bruh, I was not playing. I got the nail dryer, I got the monomer, I got the acrylic, I got the whole 9 yards. I got the training hand. Like, look at this. I mean, granted, again, they're not perfect, but for me to just be starting, I feel like I'm doing a really good job. But yeah, so this is like the table in front of me is like my nail table slash makeup table. So if you guys are curious to see like how I do my nails and whatnot, I'll upload a video how I do them. I'm trying to figure out how that'll work, because for me to do a makeup video, I have to cut down an hour. But for me to do nails, like for me to do one hand, and mind you, even me doing my right hand, because my left hand's the dominant hand, even with me doing that takes like maybe 2.5 hours to do one hand. So if I'm doing a full set, so I'm just like, I don't know how I would edit that, but I can try. I'm not gonna lie though, guys, like I just feel so good just sitting here talking in front of the camera, even though I'm talking about a whole lot of random jumbled up mess. Like, I literally do not have like notes or nothing, so this video is dead all over the place. But I do feel really good to basically be able to just pump out some more content and all that fun stuff. For my birthday week, what I want to do and I hopefully get to do is that week that I took off for work for my birthday, I want to be able to vlog every single day. Even if it's like a short like 10-minute vlog something, because honestly, there are certain points in my life that they are interesting, but like honestly, stuff really doesn't happen until the weekend. Honestly, and even then it's literally me just going over Kima's house or something. Like, it's not, but I'm definitely gonna be trying to do more and more stuff. My sister's coming to my house in like 2 weeks, so I'm definitely planning on doing a couple videos with her. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I rambled out throughout this whole video, bunch of randomness, but it's fine, because honestly, that's just the type of person I am. I'm random. I love to just sit down and talk to you guys about just anything basically. But yeah, so I hope you guys somewhat at least enjoyed the video, just at least a little bit. Hopefully some of you guys are glad to see my face and know that I'm still alive and well and healthy. You know, in Jesus' name, I'll stay that way. But yeah, so again, like I said before, oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I do tend to post more on there as well if you guys wanted to keep up with me. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time of the day you happen to be watching this, and I will see you guys in my next one.